it on me.
Joke lang. Hello Mermaid Squad, another video with me. So, for today's video, we will be doing a makeup look. So, let's see kung anong kalalabasan ng ating makeup look today. But I'm planning to do some brownish makeup look. So, without further ado, let's hop into the video. So, as you can see guys, I already hit the pan. So, sobrang ganda talaga nitong powder na to, and halos lahat ng base ko, ito lang yung pang set or powder ko, and ayan, I hit the pan na. So, maybe I will be ordering again this one kasi nagustuhan ko talaga. And by the way guys, meron akong another Vice Cosmetic video na padating, na sana dumating na yung order ko para magawa na natin yon. And sobrang excited ko na i-share yun sa inyo guys kasi that's the Vice Cosmetics new product. So, sana dumating na siya kasi in-order ko lang siya online. So, for my kilay guys, I will be using this very deep brow in the shade Ice Coffee. Yun yung dark brown nila, and it contains 10 grams of product. So, for everyday kilay guys, ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko, and also for my wing, ito din yung gagamitin ko. Done with our brows guys, and as you can see, sobrang dali ko lang siyang ginawa, as in line and fill up lang, tapos na. Yung iba kasing eyebrow products na nagamit ko is medyo mahirap siyang i-form, but this one sobrang dali. Basta meron kang gantong klaseng brush, ayan, para mas precise yung paka-line mo sa brows mo. So, ayun. By the way guys, I won't be doing my lashes na cause meron ako ngayong eyelash extension. Ayan. So, nagpapagawa ko ng eyelash extension ko sa Sari Nails, guys. Only at Sari Nails. Maganda ang eyelash extension doon kasi nakatry na ako before sa iba magpagawa ng eyelash extension, and ang bilis sa akin natatanggal. Kumbaga, yung first time kong magpagawa sa iba is nag 1 week lang, and this one, kapag sa Sari Nails, ang lashes ko, nagla-lash siya up to 2 months. Basta, ang secret ko lang guys is, huwag mo siyang hihila-hilahin and hayaan mo siya mag-fall out. And then, pwede mo siyang ipa-retouch ulit, ipaayos ulit. So, ayan. Parang mas naturally looking, but mas yung lashes natin, and para tipid din sa mascara. So, ayun, kung gusto niyo magpa-eyelash extension, pwede sa Sari Nails, guys. So, ayun. So, plano ko ngayong mag-brown eyeshadow, and yun yung gagawin natin. Done with our eye makeup, guys. I just make it brown and something shimmery. And yan, medyo Korean look yung eyes natin ngayon. So, mag-contour na tayo. Same contour, Vice Cosmetic, Aura Contour. Magpa-final powder na tayo before we proceed to the lippy. For our lips, I will be using the Fairy Cosmetic in the shade Ocean. Ito yung powder stain nila, guys. Let it dry first. Joke lang. Tagalo sa mata. Dry na yung ating Fairy Cosmetic na powder stain, and lalagyan natin nitong TPS in the shade Ana Sophia. So, you can order this on Kweko Diet or kay Miss Erica Yanto. Meron siyang available nito. Yung store nila is located at Central Plaza Complex. Yeah. Some highlighter for our brow bone.
겨울이 가고 봄이 찾아오죠.
So, yun guys, we're done with the look. So, I just made this look so fast and easy to do, but super glam. As in, you can wear it in your night auras or something for a party, ganon na look. So, ayan, I just did a brown-ish makeup look with a shimmery over there. So, ayan. Thank you so much guys again for watching this video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye! I love you all!